Hey everybody. I worked on getting some RGB LEDs incorporated into my instruments here, and I thought I would make a tutorial video on how to do exactly what I'm doing here. So what I am doing is I am using a MIDI interface to control the hue, the hue. Oh. What I'm doing here is I'm deciding the hue, the saturation, and the value, or the brightness, through MIDI, which you can see here. If I can change the hue, you'll see the lights are cycling in hue. If I change the saturation, going towards 0, it loses color and goes to white. We've got brightness. I've put in several modes, and I kind of forget what all of them are about. Looks like this is where I can use lines of LEDs. You can see up here. It's kind of harder to see on the floppy drives. That's working up there as well. But you can change the length of the LEDs as well. And the background lights, I can change that as well. Make it a different hue. Make it a solid color. Or it could be rainbow. So yeah. Also, let me show you one of my favorite modes. Yeah, this one. So this one's called Color Sinusoid. You can so the hue is going along a sinusoid with amplitude, whatever I set from color amplitude here. You can see the effect that color amplitude has on the colors here. And cycling through the hue has this really nice effect to it. So yeah, I'm going to post this code in the description, and you can play around with it, and the rest of this video is dedicated to showing you how to construct these lights. So I hope you like it. Share it with your friends if you got friends who are into this stuff. Yeah, stay cool. The last thing I did for this build here was to fix the light tube in place using some machine screws going through the shelves that I've got set up. There's 3 shelf brackets, have some holes drilled in them where you can like get the shelf wood plank stuck onto the shelves, but I didn't use that for the shelves, so I went downwards with the machine screw down into the light pipe there, light tube, whatever, and yeah, now it's properly stuck. I had used some Velcro circles or Velcro dots, and that was just a nightmare, so don't bother with those. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope maybe you try this out and experience some success with it. I've got all the pertinent files in the description for you to be able to do exactly what I'm doing here, and don't hesitate to use it even if you're making your own videos. So yeah, I do ask that you like my video and subscribe to my channel, but I'm not gonna find you if you don't, or will I? It got a little weird, but yeah, I'll see you next time.